Salam- Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So I hope my friend is all is well, and thanks to God giving us for new life, and I hope always you are take care. So should be you have to you have to take care your health, and if your health is good, your health is wealth. So this is your hand what we have to do. And today we are going to talk about urine. If somebody coming again urine, maybe 1 hour, if you are night sleeping also you're coming urine, so you should what have to do. So why the urine coming again, because our body is coming more acidic. Maybe sometime we are eating more oily food, more maybe fast food, and because why that one happened, and more sometimes sweets like this pastry item, and because we are never, because if you cannot clean if you are not eating salad, so you're acidic, you cannot clean. Before I said if you are eating anything must be you have to salad. So that's why I said if you want to do good things, you must be follow with the nature. How to eat, how to drink, how to sleep, you must be everything with the nature. So sometime you can see my screen, how do you make this remedy. This one you have to make like a tea. Okay, you have to make this one tea. So what we have to add, if you are coming too much urine, because there is, before also I telling you can be cure with the dates also, dates and milk. That one also you boil and you can cure that one. If you even small children, if you the boil and give that milk drink for the children or old or young, everyone for the good benefits. So you will be know. Second, you have to make tea also. You have number one, you guava. Guava. You can take the leaves, guava leaves. You can see my screen. The guava. Number two, the jaggery. Okay. Number three, karum. Karum is seeds. You see the picture there is, you can see and you can buy. This is anywhere available. And the fourth is black pepper. So this one you can use like you have the karum. You can put the half teaspoon and maybe 10 pieces black pepper, just crush and jaggery as how you want the sweet. Okay, and the 6 or 8 piece you can put the guava leaves. So you can boil it like a tea, maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes, slow fire. Then you can make filter, and you have drink by sip. So any kind of your urine problem becoming okay. So, or if you have anybody, and second things, so if you have any problem, so urine you can cure. So but we always have to eat the green leaves, the fruits, vegetables, raw vegetables. So if you eat this one your life, and green leaves. So if you eat always before your food you eat that one, how you eat I already tell about your weight is 75 kg, then multiply is 5. So 350 gram you have to eat before your food salad. Finish your salad, then you start your food, whatever food your house is making. Okay, same like this. The fruits you 6 to 12 you can eat. 4 kind fruits you can take. That also your weight is 75 kg, multiply 10, yani 700 gram you have to eat the fruits. So if you want to eat little, not eating one time, maybe 1 hour you can eat. Afternoon also you can eat. If you eat maybe little, you now like a 300 gram eating, balance have 400 gram, you can eat afternoon also. But after food, no, you have to wait 1 hour. If you're eating after food, this is more problem coming. This is not good, because digestion coming disturbing. So don't do that one. Our hormone also disturbing, so our body not making after hormone, because after allergy coming, this is very bad. If you eat, some people who are doing finished food, they are eating the fruits. This is wrong. So this tea you can make the morning and evening both time. So you have any problem urine, you can finish this one. No need to, I tell no, you have to make your kitchen hospital, not making no need to go you take the artificial. If you take the artificial medicine, this is your coming any side effect. So with your nature, you don't have any problem, because God saying the nature our body for, because our body how kind our how type our body, the God make nature with the same. So our liver, he never accept chemical, but in nature he will accept. So this is now I hope you understand. So okay, so take care, always drink water, because if you drink water, no, if your water is less, your headache coming. So always drink water, make your life great, always keep healthy, and walk with the nature, and stay with the meditation. And if you are doing good things, you are eating with the nature, then your medication coming good. If you are doing the wrong food and you are keeping your life in the artificial medicine, then your body will be disturbing. So your skin, everything will be going the wrong way. So I hope you are understand, and see you next time. Please like and share my video and YouTube channel with your friends, with your family. You will get more benefit, or anything you want to ask, you can be and you see the everything what you have to is all going my screen. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you very much. Have a great day, great morning. Love you.